The state of Uttarakhand. This as a shocking case has now emerged from Dehradun, where the death of a newlywed woman just 8 months into her marriage has sparked serious allegations of dowry harassment and abetment. Before her demise, the woman recorded an emotional video apologizing to her mother and saying she could no longer endure her situation, while the woman's family has accused the lady's husband, her mother-in-law and even sister-in-law of driving her to death. The police have registered a case against the three and launched an investigation to determine the circumstances surrounding this entire incident. In fact, what's now come to the surface is this video where you can see she's absolutely unconsolable. She was crying unconsolably before she actually committed suicide. Listen in.
देखिए, कोतवाली डोईवाला का एक मामला है जिसमें एक सूचना प्राप्त हुई थी कि एक महिला के द्वारा फांसी लगाकर आत्महत्या कर ली गई है। तो उपरोक्त सूचना पर थाने की टीम और साथ ही साथ हमने मौका मुआयना एफएसएल के द्वारा भी इसमें करवाया है। तो इसके बाद इसमें जो मृतक महिला थी उसने फांसी लगाकर आत्महत्या की थी। तो इसके बाद हमने उस महिला का पंचायतनामा भर के उसके बाद उसका पोस्टमार्टम भी कराया गया है। इसके बाद जो मृतका है उनकी माताजी की तरफ से एक तहरीर इसमें दी गई है, जिसमें मृतका की सास, मृतका के पति और मृतका की जो ननद हैं उनके विरुद्ध विभिन्न प्रकार के प्रताड़ना के आरोप लगाए गए हैं और उसके जिस कारण से प्रताड़ित होकर उस महिला के द्वारा आत्महत्या करना बताया गया है। इस पूरे प्रकरण में मुकदमा पंजीकृत कर लिया गया है और इसकी विवेचना की जा रही है और साक्ष्यों के आधार पर इसमें अग्रिम कार्रवाई कर ली जाएगी।
Let's quickly go across to Shivam, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Shivam, remember, Twisha Sharma's case is still very much fresh in our memories, and you have another case now coming to the forefront. What have the initial investigations revealed so far?
Well, exactly, Kanchan. This is the kind of stories that will put marriage as an institution under a lot of scrutiny, especially in the cases like this, where 8 months of marriage are now resulting into the deceased dying by suicide. Now, in this particular case, what we've been given to understand from the allegations of the deceased mother's side, that when on the night of 28-29 July, when the deceased was not being able to be in contact, then the mother contacted the family, where they were told that because the daughter is unwell, she has been taken to the hospital. When she reached to the hospital, then they got to know that her daughter has died because of suicide. So that's the major allegation coming in, that they were not even informed by the in-laws in the first hand that their daughter has died, and they got to know only after visiting the hospital. Now then the entire background scrutiny comes in, that how for months this particular woman, according to her mother, was subjected to continuously mental harassment, as well as subjected to the demands of dowry. It has also been said that almost 3-4 months ago, the father-in-law of this particular woman passed away, and she was held responsible and being called inauspicious and was responsible for her father-in-law's death. So these kind of mental harassment cases are coming in. As we have also listened, police has registered the case. The investigation is going on against the mother-in-law, husband and sister-in-law. Various sections have also been imposed of the BNS when it comes to this particular case. The details are still emerging, but again, a sad news when it comes to the institution of marriage as a whole.
Many thanks to you, Shivam, for bringing us all of those details. But the case remains extremely horrifying and unnerving, and absolutely no end to such kind of harassment cases, in fact. With that, let's quickly shift focus over to some breaking